I drink tea every night, and I put apple, ginger, cinnamon sticks, some of this green tea, and the hibiscus flowers into this thing that I got from Amazon. So let's make it together, another batch. Apples, ginger, there we go. It's good enough for now. 2 cinnamon sticks, there you go. 2 little bags, put it in there. Hibiscus. Just added the water. I'll see you soon. That beauty. Boiling. So aesthetic. Honey ginger and then some lemon on it. Ugh. To enjoy. What do you add on your tea? Let me know.